And away from security matters, let's talk politics. The Labour Party has rejected claims that Julius Abure, its party leader, was ousted by the appeal court. Instead, the Labour Party clarified that the Court of Appeal in Owerri dismissed the appeal filed by Basil Maduka, a candidate contending for the party's governorship candidacy in Imo State. In a statement, the Labour Party's National Publicity Secretary, Obiora Ifo, alleged that Apapa's faction distorted the appellate court's ruling, while reports had suggested that the Court of Appeal in Owerri removed Julius Abure as the Labour Party's national chairman and recognized Lamidi Akpakpa. The Labour Party clarified that the court's decision was in line with the trial court's ruling, and comments by the trial judge were not binding. So joining me on the news to shed more light on this is the Labour Party Publicity Secretary, Ayobami Arabambi, and he joins me from Abuja. You're welcome, Ayobami.
Yeah, good evening, and thank you for giving me the opportunity.
Can you help us understand the recent developments regarding the leadership of the Labour Party and the appeal court's judgment?
Well, let me be very, very explicit here. There are two matters, that Abure is just trying to mischievously mislead the people with. The Edo State matter does not involve us. It involved him and his ward chairman that suspended him. He now proceeded to court after the suspension, and the court said, well, by the extant section or relevant section of the Labour Party, it's only National Convention that can suspend him. And the same chairman of the ward filed an appeal before Court of Appeal in Edo. They agree with the lower court that, they did not have the power except convention. And the man has gone to Supreme Court to cite Supreme Court judgment that says you are a member first before you can be appointed an officer of a party. A foreigner cannot come and contest election in Nigeria except whether you have naturalized yourself or they have given you citizenship. That is aside. It's about Abure suspension. But before then, Abure was restrained by FCTI court. A restraining order to restrain him is secretary, treasurer, and finance secretary for criminal infraction. What they did was that they changed they submitted to INEC during the period of the 2023 election. They submitted to INEC forged document where they properly signed the signature of candidates that have been published by INEC. But in the final list of candidates, we now saw that the name has changed. We now wrote a letter to INEC. INEC sent us response that, we have letter of withdrawal signed by the candidate that was withdrawn, and we have affidavit of withdrawal. We took this document to the court. The court gave us a certified true copy that no, those documents never emanated from their court, and they were forged documents. That's why we wrote petition to the Inspector General of Police, the retired one now. He now directed DIG Kokumo, retired also, who did a marvelous job by coming out.
Hello, Ayobami. Hello, Ayobami, are you still there? I guess we just lost our communication with Ayobami there. We will see if we can bring him back online to drive home his opinion. But then let's... okay, so I'm being intimated that Ayobami is back. Ayobami, are you still there?
Yes, I'm here. So,
okay, you may need to wrap up your thoughts, okay?
Yeah, what happened was that the court now restrained him based on the evidence that we have. He went ahead to file a preliminary objection to that order. The PO that he intended to use to abate, our judgment was dismissed. He now filed an appeal against that judgment. That appeal is still pending. But while that restraining order was still pending, Abure went ahead, he wrote letter to INEC For on the 15th, you want to conduct primary in Bayelsa, Kogi, and Imo. And the day it was restrained by the instant law of Nigeria, I mean, there can't be a vacuum. The party appointed the deputy, the sole deputy that we have to, be acting national chairman. So that one now wrote a letter to INEC that, this primary will now be conducted on the 16th. And that was their battles they have. So after the primary, the basin they are talking about participated in Abure primary. Other people came to participate in their primary with us. So it was at the point of submitting a letter to INEC that the basin now went to federal court, Owerri, that, he participated in the primary on the 15th, conducted by Abure, and the court should announce him as the candidate. And INEC was joined in this matter. And what the court did at the federal court was that, no, the Labour Party you say you claim you conducted a primary under is alien to law because they have been restrained by order of the court, and that must be respected. Now, the one done on the 16th,
Abayomi, okay, so we might not be able to accommodate as many responses or main explanations you're hoping to give because we are constrained with time. But then, as this time, we just have to let you go and see if we can accommodate you in our subsequent bulletins, as the case may be. But then we appreciate your explanation as regards the legal tussle with the leadership position of the Labour Party. Thank you so much. Now.